Hey, this is Marvelyn Brown with Inner Word Business Services, and today we're going to talk about deep linking. So there are a lot of different ways that if you're an affiliate and you are doing a blog post about a specific product or a specific item on your advertiser's website, you definitely want to use deep linking, and that's why I'm doing this video. I want to just show you how easy it is to do deep linking on your site. Now, the other thing that I want you to think about, a lot of times when you're a new affiliate, you might link to, just a regular home page for your advertiser site. And there may be some times when, that might be appropriate, but when you're talking about a specific product or you're doing a review on a specific product on your blog, you want to take people, especially if you want them to make a purchase, you want to take them directly to the page that enables them to make a purchase. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So right now we're on the Macy's website. Now I'm a Macy's affiliate, and so we're on the general home page. And that has some great information. So depending on what the purpose is of your blog post, you might want to at times send people to the general Macy's site. However, if you are doing a product review or you're talking about a specific piece of information on the Macy's site or on your advertiser's site, you want to send them directly to what you're talking about. So for the sake of this video, I want to show you, we're going to just pretend that we're doing a review on the Mixed Media t-shirt by Vince Camuto. So I've already taken you to the product page. This is the product page that will enable a visitor to make a buying decision. So this is letting you know everything you need to know about this product. It's on sale for 30% off using the code 4U. You can choose the colors, you can choose your size, you can choose your quantity, you can add it to a bag, or if you're in a hurry, you can add it to a list and come back to it later. You can enter your shipping information, and basically you can just go ahead and buy this item. So in order to do a deep link, instead of taking someone to the regular Macy's page for this item, because what happens is, say for instance, you're talking about the Mixed Media t-shirt on your blog post. If you send someone to this particular page, they're not going to find the Mixed Media t-shirt. They're going to have to kind of search around, hunt around, look around. They may put some information in the search bar if they remember the name of the product, but you don't want your readers to do that, because what happens is a lot of times they will just, they'll say forget it and move on to something else. So you want them to be on the page. You want the link to take them directly to where they need to go. So in order to do that, it's just a few very simple steps that I'm going to show you, and then you'll see how easy it is. So let's just go ahead and go through the steps really quickly. So the thing that you want to do is you want to go to the browser window, which is this area up here. You want to click on it. You want to right click and select all, and then you want to go back into that link again and you want to click on copy. So you right click both times. You right click to select all, and then you right click again to copy. And then you want to go to like maybe a notepad, or if you have another note application that you can use. Now I've already opened up my notepad. I've put in regular link and affiliate link. So we're going to put this is the regular link that we got from the browser window. We're going to right click again and we're going to paste. So we just took that link that we got from the browser window and we pasted it into Notepad so that we could save it, because we're going to do something with it here in a second. So we're going to minimize the Notepad. We're going to go back to our affiliate. We're going to go to our affiliate back office. So this is the affiliate back office for Rakuten Advertising. And as you can see, this page is basically where I go to log in and I can get my reports, my links, and most affiliate sites will have an area that looks like this for all of their affiliates. So I'm going to click on the links tab, and that's going to take me to the area where I can get all of my links. Now they give you a lot of different ways to get your links. I'm going to choose deep linking because that's what we're talking about today. So on most affiliate sites, whether you're with Rakuten Advertising or some of the others, they're going to have a section in your back office that either says deep linking. It might be called a link generator. There's some that will provide you with a link shortener. So these are basically, this is where you would actually go to get those specific product specific links that have your affiliate information embedded inside them so that you can get credit when your users click on the links on your blog and they go to your advertiser site. So this is the deep linking area for Rakuten Advertising. Now the thing that I want to do is I want to select my advertiser, which is Macy's, and then I want to use the URL that I just got from the Macy's website. This is the regular link or the URL that we got from the Macy's site. We're going to highlight it. We're going to select all of it, highlight it, however you want to, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to right click. We're going to select all. No, we don't want to select all. So we just want to select the link. Sorry. So we want to just select the link. We want to right click on it and we want to copy it. And then we're going to click inside the box and we're going to paste, which is Control V. Control V as in Victor. We're going to paste that link into the box. We're going to select for the output format, we're going to select URL. Now you can also select text link, or if you want the image, you can get an image link. But for this video, we're going to use URL. We're going to also use this. We're going to leave that blank. And then we're going to click on create link. So then when we create link, the generator, the link generator or the deep linking generator is going to give us our link. And this is the link right here. So then in order to test this, to make sure that it's going to take our readers to the right area, we're going to click on preview. And it should take us to our t-shirt that we're talking about, and here we are. So this takes you to the t-shirt, the mixed media t-shirt by Vince Camuto. So we know that we have the right link. So now we're going to take this link and we're going to select all, and we are going to copy. We're going to go back to our notepad and we're going to paste this using Control V. You hit the Control key and then you hit the V as in Victor key. And this gives us our affiliate link. So now we have the regular link, which is, that's what, a general customer would use. But because we're affiliates, we want our affiliate information embedded in our link. And as you can see, this looks pretty busy, but it does have our affiliate information embedded in this link. So this is the link that we're going to use on our blog post. And this is called deep linking. And so that's pretty much the end all and be all of deep linking. We just take our regular link and we convert it into a link that will have all of our affiliate information inside. So I hope that this gives you some information that you can use on your site. You would just take this information, this link, and you would use that on your website. So this is basically all that I'm going to show you today. I'm going to sign off of this particular video, but I invite you to come and take a look at my article that shows you all the different link types, and it shows you the way that you can actually start using affiliate marketing to earn additional income. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.